Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a proven method for making $10,000 a day with affiliate marketing through the ClickFunnel affiliate program. Sign up for a ClickFunnel account, the link will be in the description box. Segment 1. Introduction to affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels. First, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Essentially, it's a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You'll be given a unique link, or affiliate link, to promote the product. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. ClickFunnels is a popular platform for creating sales funnels, which are a series of web pages that guide potential customers through the buying process. They also have an affiliate program, which allows you to promote their product and earn commissions. Segment 2. Setting up your ClickFunnels account. In order to start making money with ClickFunnels, you'll need to create an account. It's a quick and easy process, and you can sign up for a free trial to test out the platform before committing. Once you have your account set up, you can access the affiliate program and start promoting ClickFunnels. They offer a 40% recurring commission, which means you'll earn 40% of the monthly subscription fee every month that the customer stays subscribed. Segment 3. Promoting ClickFunnels. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to start promoting ClickFunnels. There are a few different ways to do this, such as 1. Creating a review video and sharing your affiliate link in the description. 2. Writing a blog post about the benefits of ClickFunnels and including your affiliate link. 3. Running paid ads to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Segment 4. Scaling up your income. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it has the potential to be extremely profitable. Once you've found a product or service that resonates with your audience, you can scale up your income by increasing your traffic and conversions. ClickFunnels also offers a two-tier affiliate program, which means you can earn commissions on the sales made by other affiliates you refer to the program. By building a team of affiliates, you can exponentially increase your earning potential. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make $10,000 a day with affiliate marketing through ClickFunnels. Remember, the key to success is to find a product or service that resonates with your audience and to consistently drive traffic to your affiliate link. With a bit of effort and determination, you can achieve financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.